Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And y'all see the shirt, y'all already know what time it is. We finna get into these Pink Friday nails. So in Nicki's song, Fuck the Club Up, she said, and I quote, "High heels on my tippies." So she named one of her nail sets On My Tippies, which is the one that we are getting into today. This is On My Tippies. So on Nicki's website, this is On My Tippies. I got them in a large square length. They were $24.99 and the price has since changed because now I see that they are $16.99. But my total came up to $32.16 and shipping was about 10 days. I think the price changed after I signed up for the Pretty Gang, so make sure y'all scroll to the bottom of her website and enter your email and phone number and sign up for the Pretty Gang so you'll be notified on new nail releases and you might even get a little discount, so sign up. But let me not even hold y'all this long. Let's get on into the tutorial, baby, because y'all gotta see. Okay, so let's crack these bad boys open because I did not do my nails for almost a week waiting on these Pink Friday nails to get here. So when they got here, I was like, yes! Nicki saved me because look at my fingers, y'all. Like, actually, don't even look at my fingers because they... Anyways, let's get into the packaging, honey, because Nicki put some money into this packaging. It is so luxurious, so cute, so pink. I love how you see the nails through the front of the packaging. Now let's get into it. So there's a little drawer that pulls out, and then you have everything that you need included in the packaging. You don't have to buy anything extra. Nicki made sure she took care of us and provided everything that we need. So we have our nail file. Up under the nail file is a cuticle pusher, and then those are the extra nails that's in that package. And then you have an alcohol prep pad and nail stickers, and this is the nail glue. So that's everything that you need to put on your nails. So as you saw, some of the nails are on the front of the packaging and the rest of the nails are in this little envelope. So there's the rest of the nails, and this box is magnetic. So you just lift the flap on the side, and when you close it, it automatically closes because it's magnetic, honey. And these are the rest of the nails that's on the front. 28 nails come in total, so you have more than enough nails and nail sizes to put your set together. Okay, now let's get into the quality of these nails because Nicki the boss, Nicki the Harajuku Barbie, Nicki the queen is not playing, okay? These nails are so good. They are nice and thick. They have a very nice curve to them, and when I say thick, I mean from the cuticle to the free edge of the nail. Okay, these nails are definitely giving luxury and high quality, and they're definitely giving bad bitch because immediately after I put these nails on, I felt like a bad bitch. Now, if you are not familiar with how to apply or how to remove press-on nails, she did include an instruction manual for the first timers, but y'all already know I got y'all. So just watch this tutorial and then I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. So first off, we are going to pick our nail sizes to make sure that we are picking the correct size for our natural nails. And when you are doing that, you want to make sure that the press-on nail covers your entire nail bed completely from side wall to side wall. It's comfortable around your cuticle and there's no spaces or no gaps on the side. If you have spaces and gaps on the side, that nail is too small. It should cover your natural nail perfectly without fitting tight. It should have a nice, comfortable fit. So when I am applying a set, I always take all the nails out of the packaging and spread them out and group them together by sizes so that I can see exactly what I'm working with, and then I pick my sizes according to the size of my fingers. So I have my first 3 fingers picked out, and now I'm just working on the last 2 fingers. As you can see, that nail completely covers my pinky and there's no spaces or gaps on the side. And I'm kind of a pro at this press-on nail thing, so I can kind of eyeball and see, what nail looks like it'll fit my finger. But for the girls that's new to the press-on nail game, you gotta try your nails on over your fingers. Make sure everything fits comfortably around your cuticle area and your side walls, and the nail is completely covering your nail bed without overlapping onto your skin. That means it's too big. If you have spaces and gaps on the side, that means the nail is too small and you may need to go a size up. So I got all my nail sizes picked out, and when I tell y'all I have never been so excited to apply a set, I have never been so excited to apply a set. I put the leftover nails back into the envelope, and next we are going to prep our nails. So first, what I'm going to do is take the nail file and the cuticle pusher out, and I am going to push my cuticles back. I love how this is a plastic cuticle pusher versus a wooden cuticle pusher. I think the plastic just works better for me than the wood. So I'm just gently pushing my cuticles back. I'm not doing this aggressively. I don't really have a lot of excess buildup around my cuticles, so I'm gently pushing them back using the cuticle pusher, and the cuticle pusher is doing what needs to be done. My cuticles never really get too crusty, but they do be needing to be pushed back, so that's what I'm doing. So now that we have our cuticles pushed back, I'm going to take the Pink Friday nail file and just gently knock the shine from the top of my natural nails. If you are new to the press-on game, this step is very important when it comes to applying your press-on nails, because you always want to roughen up the surface of your natural nail so that when you apply the nail glue, it sticks really well. The nail glue sticks better to a roughened surface versus a shiny surface. So you have to file off that top layer of shine and, grease and oils from your nail bed. Your nails will stick better and last longer. So do not leave out that step. So let's go ahead and open up this part of the package, which is an alcohol nail prep pad, and she also included nail stickers for those that may want to, temporarily stick their nails on. They may last for 1 day, so keep in mind that your nails are not going to last with stickers. I want my nails to last long, so I'm going to be applying them with the glue. And what I'm doing right here is just wiping down my nails to further dehydrate them with the alcohol prep pad. And that's pretty much the end of the nail prep. The nails are, dry. There's no oil. So now we can get into the application of these nails. So the glue was very secure, okay? There's plastic around it so that, the glue does not leak out or anything. So I do appreciate that, Nicki. And as soon as I took the top off, I squeezed a little bit. You don't even have to poke a hole in the glue. It's already ready to go. So I'm applying a nice bubble of glue around my natural nail, making sure I have a nice bubble. You do not want to apply your nails with a thin layer of glue. Your nails are not going to stick. So after you got your glue on, you want to slowly start applying the nail around the cuticle first and then gently press down. You'll see the glue spread up to the edge of your natural nail, and then you just want to firmly start pressing and holding for about maybe 60 seconds, because I noticed that the nail glue takes a little bit longer to dry. So normally I just do about 30 seconds, but I end up pressing and holding for around maybe 45 to 60 seconds because I wasn't too sure about the glue at first. But after I got a good feel of it, I'm like, okay, it's not a quick or fast drying nail glue. So just keep in mind, you want to make sure you hold that nail down until you can feel and see that that glue is dry. And if you have any excess glue that spilled over onto your finger, all you have to do is take an alcohol prep pad or just put some alcohol on a cotton ball and clean the excess glue from around your finger, and boom, the nail is on. And if you have any spillage of the glue that may occur while you're pressing the nail down, all you have to do is take an alcohol prep pad or put some alcohol onto a cotton ball and just clean up that excess glue from around your nails. I'd rather apply too much glue because it's easy to clean off than to not apply enough glue and end up having to redo your whole nail. So as y'all saw, I had a little bit of spillage, but I just, cleaned it up with the alcohol prep pad. And then I did apply some cuticle oil around my cuticles after I got done applying all the nails. And boom, all the nails are on. They look so good, y'all. And let me tell y'all about this glue. That glue is amazing. I do not feel like these nails are gonna come off anytime soon. We do have one more step to do, but before we get into that step, let me just say I will be keeping you guys updated with how long the nails last. So make sure you guys check out my YouTube shorts and my community tab post. So that's where the updates will be. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel and you made it this far through this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any of my updates or any of my other content that is coming. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you will be notified when the videos drop. And this is the last step that I'm doing right now, is just filing that extra piece that comes on the tips of the press-on nails. And then I took an alcohol prep pad to clean up that excess nail dust. And baby, the nails are on my tippies, okay? They came out so good. I love these nails. Nicki did her big one on these. So I just put the remainder of the nails back into the box, and this is the finished look of the nails, y'all. Nicki, yes ma'am, I will definitely be purchasing more of Nicki's nails. I give these a 10 out of 10, and I'm not just saying that because it's Nicki, but look at how thick these nails are. They are definitely giving the same thickness as some acrylic nails that you would get done at the nail shop. If you missed this video on my channel, I did give a detailed look into Nicki's website. And I gave you guys some tips and pointers on her nails and what to look for and what to expect on her website and when you're ordering your nails. So if you missed this video, it will come up at the end of this video, so check it out. This is what the nails are giving when you step outside into that sun, and the color is just so vibrant. I love how it's like a metallic pink, and at this point I'm obsessed. So if you guys like these nails, drop me a comment and let me know how you feel. Make sure you like this video, and if you are viewing this video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.